Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy. Welcome you all again in our online health and physical education class. I am Mr. Manoj Rawat, your physical education teacher. So students, today we are going to learn about two basic skills of badminton. Number 1, the ready stance, and number 2, underarm backhand service. So let's start. The ready stance. Your ready position is the stance and position that you want to reach before your opponent hits the shuttlecock. It's called the ready position because it helps you get ready for the next shot. Your actual position on court will vary a lot depending on whether you are playing singles or doubles, and also depending on the circumstances during the rally. For the basic position in doubles, read about doubles positioning. Although there are many variations, it's still good to learn a basic ready position. Once you understand these basic ideas, you can adapt the ready position for different situations. Elements of the ready position. Number 1, stance. You should be ready with a somewhat wide stance, your feet a little more than shoulder width apart. You cannot simply stand there, feet together as though waiting for a bus. Your weight should be lowered a little with your knees slightly bent. Your weight should be shifted forward a little so that you are on the balls of your toes. This does not mean that you should be perched uncomfortably on your tiptoes, leaning forward so much that you almost fall over. Rather, you need to lean forward just enough to take the weight off your heels. Failure to do this will leave you flat footed. Your right foot should be slightly ahead of your left foot, only about half a foot length ahead. This position is effective for covering all four corners of the court. Number 2, racket carries. Your racket position varies a lot depending on the situation. It should never be left to dangle near your ankles. However, bring your racket up. Your racket should be held out in front of you and away from your body. Typically, you will hold it about waist height, but you will hold the higher when attacking and lower when defending. Number 3, your left arm. Don't forget that you have two arms. Although your left arm does not hit the shuttlecock, it affects your balance a great deal. Your left arm should be used to balance your right arm and racket. In the ready position, this generally means holding it in front of your body and slightly out to the side. Never leave your left arm dangling at your side. Underarm backhand service. The backhand serve is as important as it is difficult. Most world-class players agree that the outcome of a rally can be determined by a single serve. Fortunately, I am going to teach you how to serve your way to victory in 5 simple steps to master the badminton backhand serve. Step 1. Use a backhand grip. Use a backhand grip as shown in the diagram above. Some tips to note. Grip your racket comfortably but not too tightly. You can grip slightly above the hit for more control, should it be necessary. Don't fret too much over getting the grip perfectly right. You can adjust it as we go along. Step 2. Get a good shuttle grip. Using your thumb and forefinger, middle finger if you must, hold the shuttle feather and tilt the shuttle head towards you, feathers facing the net. The angle at which the shuttle is tilted will have a big influence over the trajectory of the serve. Do adjust accordingly. Step 3. Get into position. The badminton backhand serve is commonly used both in doubles and singles, thus we will discuss where to stand later. Get ready to execute the badminton backhand serve, stand with your racket foot forward and with the shuttle and racket bearing arms forward in position as shown in the diagram above. Step 4. Take aim. The badminton backhand serve has two variations and can be used in both doubles and singles. The flick serve and the low serve. The target for the low backhand serve would anywhere within yellow box. The target for flick serve would be anywhere within the blue box. And step 5. Fire away. The badminton backhand serve starts with the weight on the back foot and shifting towards the front foot during the process of serving. This is to generate momentum and a more consistent flow for a better quality backhand serve. Homework. Note down all the 5 steps of badminton underarm backhand service on your practical notebook. So students, stay home, stay safe, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.